Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. If you're watching me for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Insta. So in today's video, I am going to talk about this apple cider vinegar face wash from the brand La Organo. If you guys don't know about this brand, then La Organo is an Indian organic brand. They have wide range of skincare, hair care along with hand sanitizer, and the best part of La Organo products is they are completely chemical free. They are paraben free and they are sulfate free. You can also follow them on Insta to know more about their brand and their product. It's a 100-gram tube and this retails for 499 rupees, but it is currently available for 299 rupees on their website. La Organo products are available on La Organo store, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Amazon and Purple. I have put all the purchase link in the description box. If you are interested or if you are planning to buy, you can check them out. Key ingredient of this face wash is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is an amazing ingredient when it comes to acne prone skin. Apple cider vinegar not only removes a pimple from your skin, it also reduces dark spot. Along with apple cider vinegar, it has aloe vera and cucumber in it. Aloe vera and cucumber both have cooling and healing properties. So if you have irritated skin, then aloe vera and cucumber are amazing ingredients. It has glycerin which moisturize and hydrate your skin. It also has rose which soothe your skin and also makes your skin glowy. And as I already told that this face wash is free from all the harmful chemicals. It has no sulfate and no paraben. This face wash is completely organic. So if I talk about the texture of this face wash, then as you can see, it has a very gel-like consistency. And it has a very fruity smell just like green apple. Using this face wash is really easy. What you have to do is you have to take a generous amount of La Organo apple cider face wash in your palm, and then you have to apply it on your wet face, and then you have to massage gently for a few minutes, and then you can wash it off with normal water. And they have also mentioned the entire process on their pack, so you can read it out before using. You can use this face wash twice a day, morning and evening, and this face wash is not a gender specific product. Anyone can use it, men and women. And this face wash is for all skin type. This face wash claims that it deep cleans and skin pores by exfoliating skin cells, dirt and pollution. This organic face wash prevents acne and wrinkles. It purifies skin and balances skin oil. It contains no paraben, no sulfate and no harmful chemicals. And if I talk about my experience with this face wash, then this not only removes impurities from your skin, it also makes your skin glowy, refreshed and very clean. This face wash has apple cider vinegar, and we all know apple cider vinegar is not an ideal ingredient when it comes to dry skin, but trust me guys, this does not dry out your skin. I personally love this face wash, and if you'll ask my recommendation, I will definitely recommend this face wash to anyone who has dry skin or oily skin. There are a lot of apple cider vinegar face washes available in Indian market, but so far I find it best ACV face wash for my dry skin. If you'll ask my recommendation, it's a 100% recommended product, and if you are planning to buy, you can definitely go for it. If you have dry skin, normal skin or oily skin, you can try this face wash. If you are looking for affordable yet effective face wash, definitely go for it. This is it for today's video. If you have liked my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Insta. Like this video, share this video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.